Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Oh, look at that. That is beautiful macaroni. That's 2 shredded carrots. Got some sugar, some vinegar, salt, pepper, some onion powder, mayo, and you need the Best Foods brand, and some milk. This is a simple but delicious recipe. I eat it every time I'm in Hawaii. It's the classic macaroni salad, Hawaiian style. It's really fast, simple, and easy. Let's put this bad boy together. I'm hungry. First thing we do is we're going to add these shredded carrots. Like I said, this is 2 shredded carrots and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can see 1, 2. This mac is just come off the stove, so it's still slightly warm. Yes, you're doing this part slightly warm. That vinegar, man, you can smell that. Let's get all those carrots, shredded. You can add onions. I prefer onion powder, so we're just going to put a couple tablespoons of onion powder in lieu of chopped onions. Now you could do chopped onions if you want, but I don't like the feeling of chopped onions in my mouth. I just don't. There. Add more later if you want. Mix it up. That looks gorgeous right there. Okay. Next, we're going to put 1/4 cup of milk in here. About that much. Now we got the mayo. We're going to put 2½ cups. It's about 2½ cups of mayonnaise. Let's mix this up. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's give this a mix, a whisk, however you want to call it. I'm going to start it with this spoon, then I'm going to take a whisk or a fork and finish this off. I'm going to let the macaroni sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'll show you what I do next. I'll see you in 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's put that mayo, milk, and sugar mixture in here. Now let's just incorporate and mix it up. Mix it around. I told you it was easy. Some people put soy sauce, some people put celery, some people put, like I said, whole onions. This is the way I like to do it. Mix it good. Make sure it's all incorporated. A little salt, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little pepper. We can season it more later if we need to. This is going to go in the fridge for at least 2, 4, 6, 8 hours. Overnight is even better, but for now we're just going to put it in there for a couple of hours and we'll check it. We want this to be nice and chilled. Big taste test coming up in a few hours. I'll see you then. There is that classic mac salad, Hawaiian style. Big bite coming up. Classic macaroni salad. Simple and easy, Hawaiian style. I get the crunch from the carrot right away. I taste that mayo. I get a little sugar, which is sweeten it. Very subtle on the rest of the seasonings. If I close my eyes, I can hear the waves of Maui. And that's what you want. Serve this as a killer side dish for anything. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time. Classic. Peace.
Live life 365.
Macaroni. Oh, I love it. All right. Ooh, I could almost just eat it like like that. Look at that. Where is that? I hate it when it gets crooked. There you go. How's that? Here's the deal. Sweet babu. It is a sweet babu. Oh no. They put this stuff on all the mixed plates on the islands, and I can make it, so I guess that aloha, mahalo. Glad That was a classic thing right there.